If you're someone who constantly struggles with overthinking, this video is for you. Now, overthinking is where you replay ideas in your head constantly and you continue to replay them over time, but there isn't a decision that's made. Now, the reason that happens is because your thoughts are here, and then where you want to be is taking action. But the gap between that is making a decision. Now, once you don't make a decision, you continue to stay in that thought loop of overthinking, and that causes you to stagnate and also be stuck in that current situation. And this situation of overthinking can become a coping mechanism where you do that over time for days, months, or even years, overthinking many different things in your life. Now, the trick to stop doing that is to take action. And one way to do that is to realize that the decision paradox is something that really stifles our ability to decide. And what the decision paradox is when you have an abundance of choices, those many options are actually the things that are standing in your way from making a decision. So when you're able to prioritize and make a decision, it's about limiting the amount of options that you have to the key ones and then deciding from there. Because at the end of the day, having 45 options versus 3, it's probably easier to pick from those 3. And a lot of studies have already shown this to be true. And that is one way to stop overthinking. Because instead of constantly thinking, you then move into problem solving mode. And then once you decide on what you're going to do, you can tackle those decisions more clearly and spend all your time, energy, and focus on that thing. Now, another key thing you can do is to use the 5-second rule. And how that is applied is once you have a thought about making a decision, just count from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move into action. Now, you're not going to get it perfect right away, but just realizing the fact that overthinking usually stems from fear, because you're either a perfectionist or you're afraid that the decision that you make is going to be the wrong one, or you might fear judgment of others from that decision, or you might think that it's irreversible. In any of these cases, all of them stem from fear. And just realizing that unless this is a decision that is really life-changing and something that you might need to sit down for a much longer time, there are a lot of decisions that are reversible. So taking the step to make a decision is actually going to be less costly than you spending a lot of your time continuing to contemplate it without taking action. Because at the end of the day, the most valuable asset that you have is your time. So the longer you waste spending that, especially if this is a job or you're running your own business, then that time might be equated to money or your own personal mental health. So making a decision in the short run is going to be beneficial to you in the long run. So I hope these 2 tips of applying, realizing the decision paradox and also the 5-second rule can help you to move from thinking to action. My name is Dexter. I'm a mindset coach. I talk about mental frameworks for decision making, self-awareness, and to help you to live a more purpose-driven life. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please drop a like and follow, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.